Quality sleep is essential for maintaining overall health, well-being, and optimal cognitive functioning. However, many individuals struggle with sleep disturbances and poor sleep hygiene.
So today, we'll explore 10 different research-verified behavioral changes,
Environmental modifications, and lifestyle adjustments that promote restful, rejuvenating slumber. Goodbye, baby. Sorry, my caretaker instinct just kicked in for like the first time ever. People go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. They experience better sleep quality and improved cognitive functioning. For me, taking a warm shower every night before bed is crucial. Noise pollution can disrupt sleep and lead to fragmented rest. Exposure to blue light before bedtime can delay sleep onset, reduce sleep quality, and disrupt the natural circadian rhythm. Research shows that chronic stress can disrupt the body's natural sleep cycle and lead to insomnia. Consider sleep supplements with caution. Certain supplements such as melatonin and magnesium can improve sleep. The ideal room temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Check this out, you're not gonna believe this. Louis Armstrong called. He said he wanted to sing my opening jingle. Can you believe this guy?
Sincerely, Sammy. Sincerely, Sammy Shaw.
To improve sleep quality, 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Studies suggest that when people go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, they experience better sleep quality and improved cognitive functioning. Consistency helps synchronize the sleep-wake cycle with the natural light-dark cycle, your body's circadian rhythm, improving the overall quality of sleep. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engaging in calming activities before bed, such as reading, meditation, taking a warm bath, listening to soothing music, deep breathing exercises, or light stretching can help reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve sleep quality. For me, taking a warm shower every night before bed is crucial. 3. Limit exposure to blue light before bed. Blue light emitted from electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers has been shown to interfere with the hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Exposure to blue light before bedtime can delay sleep onset, reduce sleep quality, and disrupt the natural circadian rhythm.
so avoiding electronic devices at least 1 hour before bedtime is recommended. If avoiding screens entirely isn't feasible, consider using blue light blocking
Glasses or enabling the blue light filter on your devices. 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in the quality of rest you get. Room temperature, lighting, and noise levels can all affect sleep quality. The ideal room temperature for sleep is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Cooler temperatures promote deeper sleep, as the body's core temperature naturally decreases during sleep. Darkness signals to your brain that it's time to sleep, while light inhibits melatonin production. Make sure your bedroom is dark enough by using blackout curtains or a sleep mask to block out external light. Noise pollution can disrupt sleep and lead to fragmented rest. White noise, such as a fan or noise machine, can help mask disruptive sounds and improve sleep continuity. This is critical to me. I sleep in a pitch black room at night with the fan on, and I have an air-conditioned bed that costs the same as a new Honda, called the Sleep Number Climate 360. A smart bed with personalized temperature control.
I am so smart. I am so smart. SMRT. Smart, smart, smart.
Here are its key features. Adjustable firmness. Users can customize their sleep experience by adjusting their sleep number, allowing for personalized firmness levels using air chambers within the mattress. Climate 360 technology provides independent temperature control, allowing sleepers to set their desired temperature. The Sleep Number app allows users to easily control their sleep number setting, temperature zones, and monitor sleep data from the bed. Responsive air technology enables the bed to automatically adjust air pressure based on movement throughout the night, ensuring optimal comfort and support. Number 5. Limit stimulants and heavy meals before bed. Studies suggest that caffeine, even when consumed 6 hours before bedtime, can significantly reduce sleep duration and quality. Similarly, nicotine has stimulating effects that can keep you awake. Heavy or spicy meals, particularly close to bedtime, can also lead to discomfort, indigestion, or acid reflux, making it difficult to fall asleep. Research suggests that eating smaller, lighter meals in the evening can help improve sleep quality. 6. Exercise regularly
but not too close to bedtime.
Regular physical activity has been shown to promote better sleep, reducing the time it takes to fall asleep and enhancing sleep quality by increasing the production of endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-relieving effects. Furthermore, physical activity helps regulate circadian rhythms, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up at the desired times. However, try to complete vigorous exercise at least 3 hours before bed because intense exercise too close to bedtime can increase adrenaline and elevate heart rate, making it harder to wind down and fall asleep. 7. Managing stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are common culprits of poor sleep. Research shows that chronic stress can disrupt the body's natural sleep cycle and lead to insomnia. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, and deep breathing exercises can effectively mitigate the effects of daily stress on sleep. 8. Get exposure to natural light during the day. Morning exposure to bright light has been linked to improved sleep quality and earlier sleep onset. Aim to spend at least 30 minutes outside each morning, or sit by a sunny window if you have limited outdoor access. 9. Limit napping. While short naps can be refreshing, research indicates that napping for long periods or napping late in the afternoon can interfere with nighttime sleep. Napping too close to bedtime can make it harder to fall asleep later. If you need to nap, it's best to limit naps to 20 to 30 minutes and take them earlier in the day, ideally before 3 p.m., so you don't compromise your nighttime sleep. 10. Consider sleep supplements with caution. Certain supplements such as melatonin and magnesium can improve sleep. Melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle, can be particularly useful for people who have trouble falling asleep or experience jet lag. Magnesium, an essential mineral, has been shown to help relax muscles and calm the nervous system, promoting restful sleep.
While these supplements can be helpful, you must consult a healthcare provider before taking any sleep supplements to ensure they're appropriate for your needs.
Now let's talk about the science.
Science! Science! She blinded me!
Sleep is your superpower. One of the most significant benefits of sleep is its role in your body's immunity. During sleep, the body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight off infections and inflammation. A lack of sleep can impair cytokine production, making individuals more susceptible to illness. Adequate rest also supports cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and inflammation, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. Sleep is also essential for cognitive function. It enhances memory consolidation, problem-solving skills, and creativity. During deep sleep, the brain processes and stores information, which improves learning and mental performance. Furthermore, sleep helps regulate mood and emotional health by balancing cortisol, a hormone associated with stress. Sleep is also vital for muscle repair and growth. Growth hormone, responsible for tissue regeneration, is primarily released during deep sleep, aiding muscle recovery after exercise or injury. Sleep also supports metabolism and weight management by regulating hormones that control appetite, such as leptin and ghrelin. But enough about that. I think it's time for some cat. Okay, that's it for this show, he, she's, and theys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, have fun, be safe, and try to learn some stuff. Damn it!
Talking about credit, where credit is due. Snippet and slap together for Sammy. What the fuck?